Hey, what's up, guys? I was gonna make a short video because I just had a referral from a friend of mine that one of his friends wants to start a 3D printing online business like I do. He had a few questions. One of them he asked was he has a bunch of different machines and he was having trouble tuning them in. And honestly, the only thing you can do is trial and error. It's going to take hundreds of hours to learn the machines, to figure out all the weird things that happen. I recommended that he go to various Facebook groups. For example, I use Ultimaker Facebook groups for that machine, and then I've got some Creality CR10s that I go to that Facebook group for those. Although a lot of these FDM printers have a lot of overlap in terms of issues that you might have and what resolves it. And then his other question was, where should he sell? On Etsy, on his own website. I do sell on Etsy, but I'm also working on, creating my own lists, my own website, because ultimately these other sites control your customers. They control the algorithm. So maybe you're selling great, things are going good, and then all of a sudden one day nobody finds your store anymore. You can't explain why. That's just the reality. And then on top of that, these sites take, a decent cut. I think Etsy's not too bad, like 8%, but like Amazon takes like 20%, eBay somewhere in the middle. So that's the disadvantage. All right, catch you guys later.